Welcome to Emergency Fund. How much do Americans need in 2026? We're tackling one of the most critical financial questions today. Imagine this: a sudden car breakdown or an unexpected ER bill. Many of us aren't ready for that $1,000 hit. A shocking 43% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency. How much do you need in 2026 to be truly secure? Standard, cookie-cutter financial advice is often wrong for modern realities. I'll show you how to get your exact, personalized number in the next 5 minutes. Let's face the harsh reality of personal finance today, looking at the state of American savings in 2026. The median emergency fund in the U.S. is just $5,000. This is down 50% from last year, and it's simply not enough for most. With inflation at around 3% and the job market shaky, inflation is actively eroding your cash reserves. Living paycheck to paycheck means one unexpected hit could wipe you out. It's time to move beyond generalized advice and create a personalized fund formula that actually works for your life. The first step is tracking your bare bones expenses for 3 months: rent, food, utilities, and insurance. This is your foundation. Once you have your monthly expenses, multiply that number based on your risk profile. A single person with a stable job needs 3 months, while a freelancer might need 9 to 12 months. The average American needs about $16,800. Now that you know your target, let's talk strategy: where to keep the money and how to build it fast. Your emergency fund needs to be liquid, but still grow. Aim for a high-yield savings account, or HYSA, offering 4.5 to 5% interest, such as Ally or Capital One. You can fast-track your goal. Start with a $1,000 starter fund. Automate $100 to $500 per paycheck, cut $50 in monthly subscriptions, and boost savings with a side hustle. You could hit your 3-month target in just 12 months. Only tap into this fund for true emergencies, like a job loss or major medical event. If you use more than $500, make rebuilding your priority right away. Even with a good plan, there are common pitfalls that derail American savers. Let's make sure you avoid them. Don't blindly follow the 3 to 6 month rule. If you are single and stable, it might work, but parents or freelancers need 9 to 12 months minimum. Avoid mixing your emergency cash with your daily checking account. This eliminates temptation. Also, do not invest your emergency fund in the stock market. A stock crash could create a double crisis. Finally, inflation is a real threat. Review your fund quarterly. A 3% annual inflation rate means your cash is losing value, so your target needs adjustment. You've got the tools and the strategy. Now it's time to take action and secure your financial future. What is your target amount? Comment 3 months or 9 months or whatever your goal is. Let's build this community together. Like this video if you're building your fund, and subscribe for more 2026 wealth strategies. Grab your free emergency fund calculator plus tracker in the description below, input your expenses, and get your secure number first.